Namaste to everyone. Today I am going to show you how to download the SRTM DEM data from QGIS. Okay, first of all we have to load the base layer of which we are really interested to download data. Okay, placing the Google Satellite hybrid image. If you really don't know how to give those type of base maps in your XYZ tiles, then I have already made that video. You can go up there, and so I will give you this on I button. Okay, I have zoomed to my location, and we have to go to the plugin and manage and install plugin. After that, and we will go search for in the SRTM data downloader. Yes, RTM downloader, and we'll install that plugin. We'll close that, and our SRTM downloader will show up here, and we'll click on that, and we have already zoomed into our location, so we'll zoom and we'll set as a set canvas extent. It means it takes the extent of that, and if you really want to save it somewhere else, okay, then okay, I'll just make a folder here. Yes, data. uh, like that, and you can download that. As I have already working on that, and it has already asked for username and password that I have already given to it. And give, if you do not have those accounts, you can go to the link, and you can just give those all the credentials that it wants, and you can make that account, and you can set it here and save as the credentials. You can do it. After that, it will start the downloading. Here my data has been downloaded, and I can just say okay to this. Okay, here you can see our data has been downloaded. Yeah. Okay, this is on format of RGT. If you really want to be in GOT format, then right click it, go to export and save as. You can give your file name. Okay, just type Pokhara data, Pokhara DEM, save it. Then you can say change your coordinate system. Okay, just leave it for it. And if you have any others, then you can, if you have no data values, then you can edit, but now here is no any no data values, so click OK. After that, it is under processing, and our DEM data has been downloaded from QGIS. Thank you.